Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about a rainy day. Number 1. I love a rainy day. Number 2. Rainy days can be full of fun. Number 3. Rainy days can uplift our mood. Number 4. Rain makes everything look fresh. Number 5. Rainy day is loved by people of all age groups. Number 6. Rain washes away the dust. Number 7. It is a good time for a hot drink. Number 8. Rainy days can also cause inconvenience. Number 9. People cannot go outside without umbrellas. Number 10. The sky is covered with dark clouds on rainy days. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.